This is going to become your new favorite sehri recipe, especially since it is a liquid dough and you don't need to roll and knead it like usual parathas. The best is that you can make the liquid dough the night before and just toast it for sehri, giving you this amazing egg paratha that pairs perfectly with your sauces and chutneys too. Let's start with the recipe, which takes 15 minutes to prepare and makes 5 20-centimeter parathas. Grate an onion to get 2 tablespoons. Squeeze out the water and then add this to a bowl. To this bowl, also add 2 tablespoons of grated carrot and 2 tablespoons of grated tomato. You could also add in 1 green chili chopped or leave it out entirely because you will be adding spices to the liquid dough as well. To the bowl of veggies, also add in about 4 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Add in 1 cup of flour, then lightly mix all the ingredients together and then add the following spices. 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic paste, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies. Add in 1 cup of water and mix to get a liquid dough. Add in 2 eggs and lightly beat this. The dough is now ready and you can cover and refrigerate or make it at the same time. Heat a flat pan on high heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter ghee. When it starts to sizzle, add in 2 ladles of the batter or liquid dough onto the pan. Flatten it out a bit and then cook for 2 minutes on both sides. The parathas will start to cook almost immediately around the edges, and once they are a golden brown in color on both sides, they are ready to be removed from the stove. This is such a wholesome meal for sehri as it has vegetables, protein, and carbohydrates as the perfect balance. They are best served while hot, and you could roll them or eat them flat. Also a great idea to serve them with your favorite sauces and chutneys if you eat these at sehri. Let me know if you think of any other variations of this recipe, and until the next vlog, happy cooking and thanks for watching.